Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V17 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find System Management. Then at the very bottom we've got the backup and reset option, so simply tap on it and then tap on backup data. Here we have to pick Google server and then tap on backup account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. Okay. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will simply autofill it. Alright, so right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, and of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, but let's just tap on accept because we should receive this Google One section. As you can see, here we've got more information, so you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Your device will back up the data automatically whenever you will be connected with the Wi-Fi, will store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device, which simply means that from now on your device will back up the data, copy and back up the data in this place. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.